I'm Kim Tubiano po, playing the role of Anika, and I hope you see more of The Alibi soon on Prime Video.
Hello po, magandang gabi. Ako po pala si Yesh Borse at ginaganapan ko po si Sugar. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa pakonting pakurot namin ngayong gabi. Thank you po.
Hello po, ako po si Enzo Osorio as Joseph Morales. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito at sana na-enjoy po kayo.
Ako po si Lotlot, sana nagdasal na kayo.
Amen po. Ayan, meron. Ayan, oo, okay na. Ayan, ako po si Marvin Yap. Ayan. Ito po. Ayan, ako po si Marvin Yap. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ayan, ako po si Norman Javier dito, ang gwapang-gwapang detective. Ay, hindi po pala. Basta mabait na lang po. Thank you po.
Hello po, ako po si Alara Sasam. Maraming salamat po sa oras niyo po tonight. Thank you po and sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa show niyo.
Hi guys, ako po si Ita Reyes. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo?
Yes!
Guys, wala pa po yun. Umpisa pa lang yun. First episode pa lang namin yun. I'm telling you, ang dami pang mga gandang eksena. So please watch out. Thank you for coming tonight.
Yes, hello po. PJ Andrenal po and I play Charlie sa The Alibi. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Hello po. Thank you po sa Kimpaw. Masarap po yung painom nyo kanina. Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Round of applause please. You can now take your seats. Okay.
Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyo lahat. I hope you really enjoyed the first episode. At tama sila, marami pang kasunod yan.
Alright, so ngayon naman po, joining them are the stars who made this story unforgettable. Let us all welcome Angelina Cruz, Robbie Jaworski.
Story about love, lies, and truth.
Yes. Okay, so
plot twist.
So ito na po, we are now in this segment, the Q&A segment. Actually, a lot of our friends from the media, questions from social media also. So we can't wait to ask these questions and of course get the great answers from our cast members.
Nasilip na natin yung iba nilang kuro-kuro. Yeah, to those watching online, again, please don't forget, use the hashtag The Alibi on Prime.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Robbie. I play Edward Cabrera. Salamat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyong lahat dito. It was such an honor for me to be a part of this teleserye. It's my first acting experience and I couldn't ask for any more. So it's been such a blessing to be a part of this cast, a part of this crew, to learn under these wonderful directors and writers under Dreamscape. And yeah, I hope you guys continue to watch the show kasi madami pong pasabog tong teleserye ito. Thank you.
Please pass the mic. Thank you.
Hello po everyone. I'm Angelina Cruz as Catherine Rose Morales, kapatid po ni Ate Kim Chu. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sana na-enjoy nyo and I'm excited for you guys to see what comes out next.
Ako po si Ronnie Sarmenta sa papel na Andres Bonifacio. Hindi, Andres Tolentino. Inspector Andres Tolentino. Again, I'm just blessed to be part of this project. Side note, I'm working with the second generation of people I used to work with. I used to work with her mom and his mom. And it's just fun seeing them at work also. And again, sila, for the second time also. And sila Direk Conat. It's just a great blessing to be around creative people. So thank you for staying and I hope you continue to support the project.
Sophia?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At salamat po sa pag-join sa amin tonight. And syempre nagpapasalamat po ako sa Dreamscape, sa ABS-CBN po and Prime. Then I get to work with people I really look up to. I'm just so lucky na I'm so considered as a contributor. Syempre, ang lalaking artista ng mga kasama ko, so parang the pressure is real. But I was able to learn from them and I'm just so proud to be part of something big. Yeah.
Sam? Sorry, going to see her. I was like, hi everyone. Sorry. Thank you guys all for coming. It's such a blessing to be part of this amazing project. As you can see, the first episode pa lang, grabe yung impact. And even though my role here is a bit short-lived, I'm still present somehow in this series, and my role plays such a pivotal, yes, it's very pivotal in this cuento. So I'm very blessed to be part of this.
Hi everyone, I'm Rafael Rosel. Bilang Matthew Cabrera, just super thankful and grateful to Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, for being given this opportunity. What you saw today is just the tip of the iceberg. It goes way, way deeper, and sobrang excited kaming lahat na mapanood nyo yung totality ng show. As in, kami nga rin sa set when we read the script, we're like, inaabangan namin yung susunod na mangyayari. As in, sobrang excited. So, thank you so much to everyone for being here, and enjoy the rest of the show when it comes out on Prime.
Sasha Padilla as Jacqueline Cabrera. Hi! Thank you all very much for being here. Ang dami-dami ko nang nasalihan na teleserye, pero nung napanood ko to, sabi ko, sobra iba, kakaiba siya. At yung character development ng bawat isa, abangan nyo yan. Kasi wala pa kayo masyadong nakikita, parang patikim pa lang, napakarami pa pong mangyayari. So sana kapitan nyo talaga yung aming teleserye. Napakaganda. At proud na proud ako na makatrabaho lahat. At even at my, kahit matagal na ako sa showbiz, ang dami ko pa pong natututunan sa aking mga kasamahan. At ito, one of my favorite partners now, napakahusay niya, John. Inintroduce na kita eh, John Arcilio.
Akin na lang itong mic na kasi may upo ako, wala na po. Anyway, I'm sorry. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And, well, nakita niyo naman siguro, I am so proud to be part of this cast. Kasi sobrang nainlove ako sa lahat, sa buong cast. Especially sa Kim Pao. Sila sila yung isa sa pinaka-down-to-earth na stars na makakatrabaho bilang isang artist. And, naku, baka may magalit po sa akin. Ano lang po to nailab ako kay Sasha Padilla. Isa sa... as character is, kasi sobrang... Sasha Padilla is not just the... hindi lang siya yung divine diva ng music industry, pero she's one of the best actresses we have in entertainment industry. So talagang sobrang para sa akin kasi dream come true yun, nakapartner ko ng mahaba si Sasha. So sobrang proud ako na naging part ako nito. Para namang ngayon ako gumawa ng teleserye, pero kakaiba kasi talaga yung energy namin. So umpisa makita mo lang kami.
Brazil, Sofia Andres,
Mr. Sam Milby, Jaja Padilla, John Arcilla, Kim Chu, and Paolo Abe.
Full lineup names, diba?
of course, truly world-class Filipino talent.
All together in one. Pero naman tayo, one gripping story.
Kasi mapapakapit ka talaga eh.
Let's begin with the brilliant minds who shaped this thrilling story. Miss Danica Domingo and our amazing directors, Direk Onan Diaz and Direk Jojo Sagi.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo. At sana na-enjoy niyo yung first episode namin. Tulad ng sabi nila, patikim pa lang ito. Wala pa masyadong nai-introduce at hindi pa fully or lubusan pinapakilala yung characters ng bawat artista dito. Pero I'm sure pag nasundan nyo to ng mangilang-ilang episodes pa, talagang hindi nyo na mabibitawan kada character dahil special talaga ang binibigay ng bawat artista para sa mga role nila. So again, salamat. Maraming salamat. Si Kim Chu.
Hello po, umuwi na po si Kim Chu, si Stella po ito. Stella sa umaga, alegria sa gabi. Maraming salamat po sa, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nabitin po ba kayo? Yes, download the Prime app, 149 pesos lang. Nagbenta! So yun po, every Friday, 2 episodes. Yun lang. Hindi ko na ipapaliwanag yung character ko, parang nakita niyo na ata lahat. No? Oo,
Para sa Team Live.
para sa Team Live, yes. Sabi nga, I gave my all. Sana kayo din. sana mas madami ang makakita ng masterpiece na ito dahil group effort po talaga ito. Simula po sa mga nagsulat, nagdirect, umarte, nag-ilaw, nag-camera, nag-art dep and everything. This is a masterpiece po talaga dahil hindi po madaling gumawa ng ganitong klaseng drama na suspense, thrill, romance, drama. Kompletos recados po kami kaya I'm very proud to be part of this big project. Thank you.
Once again,
This is a great show. How they support each other, how they lift each other up. Diba? Yung mga haligi ng ating industriya naririto sa ating harapan ngayong gabi. At from the making to their statements, kayo natatawa, Kuya Romnick. Totoo naman, diba?
Super haligis, pero...
Oo. And compliment yon. But anyway, let's proceed to the questions that we had from our friends from the press. First up, we have a question from Bandera and Bulgar, from Reggie Bonoan. At hanggang saan po ang limit nyo? Dahil ba si Paolo ang partner mo po? Kaya pumayag ka? Salamat
Kasi Ate
po.
Reggie.
Kayo nagabasa lang ako. Sige,
siguro naman as a 35 years old woman. Tapos na tayo sa 16 years old role na tini-tini. Pero favorite ko talaga mag-tini-tini, magpakatawa. Pero parang pag tinatrack ko yung journey ko dito sa industriyang to, parang nahati ko naman na siya sa teens, 20s. Sabi ko, ano mapakita ko sa aking 30s? I think it's my skin. Pero malaki talaga yung tiwala ko talaga sa Dreamscape. As in, sila talaga yung naghubog sa akin. Danica, wala na kang kayak! Hindi. Wow na! Yeah. Hala, bakit? Hindi naman siya ginawa it's artistic way. Medyo mahirap na gawin, pero ako naiyak.
You gave it, sabi mo nga your all.
Gusto ko lang magpakita ng bago at sa mga nagsasabing hindi ako marunong sa ganitong klaseng role. Ito na yun. So, I want to prove all of them wrong and that I can do more than what they know. So, thank you talaga sa Dreamscape. And of course, si Pao din naman, malaking tulong namin sa mga nag-iilaw. Ang ganda ng launching ng body ko. Thank you so much. And sa nag-choreo sa akin, thank you. Sa gym trainers ko, thank you so much. Pero, more than the skin, parang more than the skin, it's what's inside me and what I want to show to all my supporters. And kung kakaroon man ng bagong supporters, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Kim. Actually, follow-up question dito.
Ang paraan kailangan dahil kung nagbebenta naman talaga ng aliw yung character, ang hirap naman kung hindi mo nakikita or napapanood at hindi na ipapakita sa audience na hindi niya ginagawa yan. So it comes with also the maturity of the actress. Pero mas character-driven po ito. At kami po dito ay very, very loyal and very, very dedicated. How do I call it? Dedicated. Yung dedikasyon na binibigay namin sa character namin ay purely for our character. At yun nga, hindi niya totally... sige, hindi ko na
And of course, that's mastering the...
Hindi, pero nung na-schedule, parang we talked with my DOP, the Kim Pao, tapos yung nandun din si Carlina, si BUH. Makikita mo yung maturity kasi sabi ko, oh, ito yan, ganyan. May mga reaction si Kim na, talaga ba, ganyan.
Dito, it's not so much a fan servicing kilig. Everything is done in the service of the story. At malalaman nyo kung bakit, even within the excitement and the high-octane drama and action, bakit lahat kayo ay mag-root pa rin doon sa dalawang characters to end up together. And I think that's the most rewarding kind of kilig that we can offer to the public.
What was, so si Kim muna yung sasagot, what was the worst alibi?
Yes. Yung tatanungin mo, bakit ka hindi ko alam. Di ba nakaka-irita yun? So wala na, iniwan ko na lang. Bakit ko yun ay on? Hindi ba dapat?
Ngayon naman, kay Sam, by the way, very in your life, and how did you respond?
I actually don't know. I can't think of anything. I don't think I've been put in a situation where I've heard an alibi na parang, wala akong maisip actually. I'm so sorry, I know that's...
Okay lang.
Pero wala akong maisip eh.
Mag-sorry ka kay Jay of Certified.
I'm so sorry. Wala akong maisip ngayon. I'm so sorry, Jay. I feel like I haven't put in a position that, yeah. I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much. Kayo naman first.
Napaka-lawak nung character na binibigay sa akin. I'm so really thankful dahil na-assign sa akin yung mga ganun. Ang sarap niyang paglaruan. Tsaka at the same time, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Siguro, kapareho, mahaba ito eh. Ito na lang. Sobrang magmahal si Arthur Cabrera. And sobrang siyang mag-protect sa kanyang family. And sabi ko nga, gagawin niya ang lahat para i-protect lahat ng mahal niya sa buhay. At yun ang kanyang naging tragic flaw. Yung mismong kanyang, yung kanyang lakas or yung strength niya, ang kanyang naging tragic flaw at the same time. Kasi napunta siya doon sa dark side dahil sa kanyang mga decisions to protect all his loved ones. Ang pinaka-core actually ng kaniyang character is yung pagmamahal niya sa wife. Sa sobrang-sobra, gagawin niyang lahat. Tama sa eksena, alam mo yung, she's naturally, look at her, naturally, diva, di ba? Yung elegante. Pero napaka-bubbly sa behind the scenes. Sobrang magkukwento ng lahat ng bagay na kaya niya kwento. Hindi mo maisip na si Asha Padilla ganun kakalog, ganun ka lahat ng kukwento niya. So sobrang saya kasi yung rapport niyo na tatrabaho na hindi niyo pinipilit, hindi puwersa. So nakakagaan ng loob para magawa niyo yung lahat ng requirements sa isang eksena na hindi niyo pinipilit ng isa't isa. So thank you for that also.
How hearing you talk about your co-actors and girl. Anyway, next question. It's a social media question to Mr. Romnick Sarmenta. Haligi. Ang haligi ng ABS-CBN. Sir, ang tanong niyo po ay, you've already been a part of many successful projects. How is The Alibi different? And what made you say yes?
It's clear na comfortable kayo sa isa't isa. Meron pa ba kayong mga ilangan moments while filming? And can you share any unforgettable behind-the-scenes moment for Pao?
Oh, the question is for me?
Yes.
Yes, maraming ilangan moments because syempre when you enter a set as a professional actor and you have scenes na medyo delicate, syempre lagi mong iniisip rin yung co-actor mo or co-actress. Kung komportable ba sila, not just for Kim but also the others, with Sophia as well. Minsan, like yung sulat sa script, syempre, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko, doon lagi ako naiilang. Kung along the way, dito sa proseso at sa pag-arte ko, kung na-alienate ko ba or nasasaktan ko or maybe nararamdaman ba ng ka-eksena ko na nababastos ko sila in some way. So, as much as possible, I try my best to talk to them first a bit or show them what I'm gonna do pero yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko. Doon ako naiilang palagi. And I'm sure pag naiilang ako, naiilang rin yung ka-eksena ko. So,
thank you, Pao, for being candid about your experiences so far. Kim, baka anything to add?
Wala naman siguro hindi may ilaw. Parang kasi nungalingan, anong alibay mo? Sabihin mong hindi. Pero opo, niilang pa rin. Kahit na kami ni Pao pang-apat na project namin. Pero iba-iba kasi yung ginagawa namin. So, iba-ibang intensity. So, parang nakakahiya. Mukha lang kaming dalawa sa script, pero napakadami mo talaga namin. Parang gusto. So, parang gano'n. Siyempre nakakailang, nakahiya. Pero, since professional ang bawat isa sa amin. So, even...
Follow-up question came from Hannah. Oh, no. Okay, so ito naman.
Meron din akong takot, syempre, tungkol sa emotion, because acting is a lot of emotions, right? So, you really have to be there on the set, and joke ko nga sa family ko, sorry, hindi ako masyado I'm not in touch with you, medyo method ako ng konti. Kasi meron ako ditong pamilya. So, sila yung inaasikaso ko, sila yung... So, napakadali din pala kapag nasa set ka, like we were in Cebu. It was easy to slip into your character.
But yun nga, pag-uusapan yung character ko until the end. And there's ang daming flashbacks. And ang daming revelations. It was such an interesting role to do. The backstory na malalaman nyo later on sa kwento, yung relationship with yung mga ibang cast members, the characters, ang daming revelations. So it's a great character, but it was really exciting. It was really fun to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And now for Rafael, this is another comeback series and the Kapamilya picking up this kind of role also in Alibay.
Well, thank you for that question. More than anything, I just want to say that I'm truly honored to be part of such a beautiful cast. And more than anything, every cast member was so good at slipping into the role na parang bilang artista or actor sa set, hindi mo na kailangan pumasok sa character kasi makikita mo silang lahat. Nagiging totoo na yung set eh. So with such amazing directors then giving such clear targets, thank you so much na this whole project para sa akin, it just became a walk in the park dahil parang nabuhay si Matthew Cabrera dahil sa mga...
Well, yun nga, you mentioned that this is our teleserye debut. And a fun fact for everyone actually, the first scene I ever took with Kuya Pao was the first scene I took as an actor in my life. Yeah. So, sobra talaga akong kinabahan. I mean, as you guys can imagine, right? I was in front of Kuya Pao, and in my head, I'm like, oh my goodness, Paolo Avellino in front of me, with all the lights and the camera, and I was so nervous, but at the same time, as a fresh actor, I feel so incredibly blessed because during the lock-in cycles, we got to establish certain dynamics, relationships with each cast member. I felt so privileged na, halimbawa, magkakaroon kami ng medyo mahabang kwento session with Sir John. That was, before I know it, I'm being given such, valuable wisdom, such Easter eggs of information and knowledge.
Sa chichirya. Tapos yung mga damit ko kasi Tito Midri, Tita Chan. Tapos minsan binibreakfast ko yung chichirya. Babaw, no? Pero siya kasi, sabi niya, laki ng tiyan mo. Baka chichirya mo yan eh. So minsan, parang nag-crave ako ng chichirya, so nag-alibay ako. Hindi ako kumain, hindi ako chichirya. Pero may nakatabi dun sa gilid. Ano to? Ha? Huli!
Ganun lang kasimple. As in, hindi yan sa akin. Hindi ano. Pero sa akin talaga, kasi merong mga crumbs sa kuko ko eh.
I can't thank everyone enough. Project after project, from Ninonay to Sek Kim to What's Wrong with I to ano yung pelikula? My Love Will Make You Disappear. At ito, I can thank everyone for your support, to everyone supporting us, not just here in the Philippines, globally, and also to our friends from the press. Maraming salamat. Walang humpay po yung tulong na ginagawa niyo. At kung di ho dahil sa inyo, hindi ho kami patuloy nabibigyan ng proyekto at bibigyan ng mga karakter at storya na maikukwento namin sa inyo. So maraming salamat.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga...
Sa akin naman, ako, wala eh. Ako wala akong inaalibay kay Kim kasi puro katotohanan.
Thank you po. Please watch November 7.
Whether it's in a good way or kamalian ko, di ba? Pero sasabihin ko naman kung mali ako.
Maraming salamat. Kim Pao, isang hiyawan naman para sa Kim Pao. Diba? Ngayon na lang natin sila nakita ng ganito. At syempre, yung iba rin natin kasama.
Laman ng The Alibi. At ayan nga po, mag-download na ng Prime Video app dahil doon lamang po ito mapapanood. Simula na po yun this November 7, 2 episodes every Friday po yan. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga supporters namin na nanonood ngayon online. Sa lahat ng mga nandito, thank you very much for all your effort, for all the love, for all the support. Nababasa po namin lahat yun, kaya maraming salamat. And sa mga bagong mga manonood and bagong susuporta sa amin ni Pao, panoorin niyo po itong The Alibi. It's not just me and Paolo. Ito pong lahat yun. Para nagsama-sama po ang iba't ibang klaseng talento para magkaroon po ng masterpiece na The Alibi from Dreamscape Entertainment. Thank you so much, everyone. We're very grateful and happy and excited na mapanood ninyo.